Ed Lovato. What up? I just got these stickers from the machinestudio.com. Shout out to Bus 166. So let's do an unboxing. If you need stickers done, machinestudio.com can definitely do it. We got a little message here from Machine Studio from Armin. Shout out to Armin. Thanks a lot, Armin. I appreciate you, man. Got some Graffiti Machine podcast stickers and some Don't Be a Dick stickers. So they'll definitely go on the next sticker collective show. All right, man, let's see what we got. Ooh, we got some Why Do You Ride stickers with the youtube.com/Ed Lovato TV. So I'll be giving these out at rides. If you see me at a ride, just hit me up. I'll get you one of these stickers. If you get your stickers through machinestudio.com, they can add this little peel tab for free on the stickers to make it a little bit easier to peel. So there you go. Why Do You Ride stickers from machinestudio.com. Shout out to Bus 166 and shout out to Armin. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Hit the comments, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.